Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna and today I'm doing another cooking video for you guys. I am going to show you how to make pizza in a mug and you can microwave it. And I've done this recipe a lot, so it really works and I'm excited to share it with you guys today. The ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, so that is 1/2 of a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/16 teaspoon of baking soda, so that's 1/4 of a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of marinara sauce, a generous tablespoon of shredded mozzarella cheese. I usually use whatever we have in the kitchen. 5 mini pepperonis. I'm just going to use regular sized pepperonis and rip them up to make them small. And then 1 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of dried Italian herbs. So basil or oregano will work. So first what we are going to do is we're going to mix the flour, baking powder, and baking soda and salt together. And this is about a 2-cup mug, but it says you can use 1 cup, but I prefer these bigger ones just to be safe so there won't be an accident. So let's start measuring everything out. So I'm just getting to my flour over here, and it is 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's 1/8 teaspoon baking powder. I actually have a 1/8 teaspoon. Sorry. So this is the baking powder. Gonna add that. And next, 1/16 of baking soda, and that is 1/4 of a 1/4 teaspoon. I have my 1/4 right here. So hopefully I actually have some in here. I do. So this is about, like, I know it's hard to see. I don't know exactly how to do it, but it's nearly nothing to put in. So, and as I said, I've done this recipe a lot of times. And next we have the 1/8 teaspoon salt. I'm going to add a little less because I'm not a huge fan of salt. Because you can do that, so. And then I'm going to take my fork and just mix it around like that. Next, we are measuring out the milk. And with the milk, we will need 3 tablespoons. And we'll just put it in the mug like this. 1, 2, 3. I don't know where to put this. And then we will put a tablespoon of olive oil in. So I got my olive oil right here. And you can use like the canola oil or vegetable oil. You can probably even use coconut oil because I think they all generally work the same. And then after that, we'll mix it all together, and there will be lumps, and that is just extremely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So we'll just mix it all together, and it will form like a dough. You see, it's already sort of like a dough. And it gets like, it's actually just like really cool. I love this recipe. Once you got it looking like a dough like this, you will take a tablespoon, I'm just going to use tomato sauce, but marinara sauce, and just plop it on top. I usually put more in because that's just me. But then you'll just like spread it around. Put a lot on. So you'll do that. And then we will add a generous, as they say, amount of shredded cheese. So I am just going to do it like this and just sort of grab a handful, and I just put in whatever I want. And I'm actually using shredded cheese, or I can't talk, cheddar cheese. So and now that I got it looking like that, I now add the pepperoni. Have my pepperoni. I'm just using regular size pepperoni because I didn't feel like buying the mini ones. And I am just going to plop them in there. Like this.
Probably want more water.
Next, you will put your microwave pizza in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Once it's done like this, you can enjoy. Now I'm going to try it. It's so steaming hot. It's really good. I really recommend this recipe. And this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.